क्या आप पूजा की शादी में गए थे? Did you go to Pooja's wedding? Did you go to Pooja's wedding? उसकी शादी कब हुई? When did she get married? When did she get married? मुझे तो उसकी शादी के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता। I don't know anything about her wedding. I don't know anything about her wedding. अरे यार, आप ही ने तो मुझसे एक दिन कहा था। Oh dude, you told me one day. Oh dude, you told me one day कि मेरी उससे बात होती है। That I talk to her. That I talk to her. तो मुझे लगा कि उसने अपनी शादी में आपको जरूर बुलाया होगा। So I thought she must have invited you to her wedding. So I thought she must have invited you to her wedding. इसलिए मैंने आपसे ये सवाल पूछा। So I asked you this question. So I asked you this question. आप खुद सोचो। You think yourself. You think yourself. मैं आपसे ये सवाल भला क्यों पूछता? Why do I ask you this question? Why do I ask you this question? क्या आपका कॉलेज डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन से MBA करवाता है? Does your college get MBA from distance education? Does your college get MBA from distance education? आप ही ने तो कहा था मुझसे। You told me. You told me कि रविवार को दुकान बंद रहती है। That the shop is closed on Sunday. That the shop is closed on Sunday. इसलिए मैं रविवार को आपकी दुकान पर नहीं आया। So I didn't come to your shop on Sunday. So I didn't come to your shop on Sunday. इस बात का मुझसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है। It has nothing to do with me. It has nothing to do with me. यही तो सुनना चाहती थी मैं। That's what I wanted to hear. That's what I wanted to hear. मुझे कमजोर मत समझना। Don't consider me weak. Don't consider me weak. मैं पहली और आखिरी बार कह रहा हूँ। I am saying it for the first and last time. I am saying it for the first and last time. वह हमेशा तुम्हारी तारीफ करती है। She always appreciate you. She always appreciate you. मैं वहाँ समय पर पहुँच जाऊँगा. I will be there on time. I will be there on time. तुम्हें कुछ नहीं पता हम किस वक्त से गुजर रहे हैं. You have no idea what we have been going through. You have no idea what we have been going through. इसके बारे में किसी को मत बताना. Don't tell anyone about this. Don't tell anyone about this. तुमने सारा खेल बिगाड़ दिया. You spoiled the whole game. You spoiled the whole game. वह बहुत दयालु है. He has a heart of gold. He has a heart of gold. आपका इरादा क्या है? What are you up to? What are you up to? ये किस बारे में है? What is it all about? What is it all about? यह आपकी मेहरबानी है. It's kind of you. It's kind of you. उसे अपना स्कूल बहुत पसंद है. He likes his school a lot. He likes his school a lot. यही तो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. That's exactly I am asking. That's exactly I am asking.